Central Lincoln PUD provides critical services to communities, and we know our customers depend on us. We strive to provide extremely reliable service, but sometimes weather, emergencies, equipment failure, and even wildlife can cause a power outage. When an outage happens, Central Lincoln prioritizes repairs to restore your power as quickly and safely as possible. The first step we take is to protect public safety. Downed wires and poles are some of the most serious hazards, and we address those first. Treat all downed lines with extreme caution, and always assume the wires are energized. Never touch downed lines or anything near them, and stay well away. The second step is to check transmission lines. Large transmission lines deliver power to the entire Central Lincoln service territory from dams controlled by the Bonneville Power Administration, or BPA. If there's an outage on their transmission lines, our crews must wait for BPA to restore power to those lines before we can deliver power to our customers, which can take hours or sometimes days to complete.
We own and maintain about 120 miles of our own transmission lines. We do our best to keep as many customers on as possible, utilizing our backup lines. We've worked hard to build a redundant system, giving us the capability to switch out lines to keep as many customers on while our crews make the necessary repairs.
Step number 3 is to check our substations. Substations take the high voltage power delivered from transmission lines and reduce it to a lower voltage for Central Lincoln's distribution lines. When a substation is down, repairs can take time, affecting thousands of customers. Thanks to investments in our system, we have multiple ways to feed our substations and can often reroute power from another feeder to get your power back on sooner while crews continue to make the repairs. The fourth step is to check distribution lines. These lines deliver power from substations to a city or neighborhood. Distribution lines are what you see on power poles alongside local roads and in neighborhoods. Emergency services like hospitals and first responders are the priority, and we work to restore power to these customers first. After that, crews work on restoring power to areas with the greatest number of customers. Checking tap lines is the fifth and often the most time-consuming step. Tap lines carry power from distribution lines to a specific group of homes or buildings. Like distribution lines, tap line repairs are prioritized by the number of customers affected.
During an outage, you might see Central Lincoln vehicles driving around for a variety of reasons. It may be engineers assessing or reporting back on damage. It also might be tree crews removing debris so our line crews can come back in and put wires back up on our poles. We use the information from these employees to better prioritize where to send our crews to make repairs. Safety is a top priority for us, and you can help us by keeping a safe distance away from our work areas and allowing our employees to focus on the work that they need to get done.
The sixth and final step is to check service lines and transformers. Transformers can be gray cylinders attached to poles or green boxes on the ground. These devices are critical in supplying power as they reduce the higher voltage on distribution or tap lines to the correct service voltage for your home or business. Damage to the service line between your home or business and the transformer on a nearby pole can result in a situation where you have no power, but your neighbor does. Central Lincoln maintains all equipment and wiring to your weatherhead, including the electric meter itself. Customers are responsible for everything below the weatherhead, including the meter base and breaker panels. For these repairs, a customer must call a licensed electrician. Central Lincoln is committed to providing safe, reliable, and consistent power to its customers. We work hard to keep your power flowing, but sometimes Mother Nature has a different plan. When major outages, and even minor ones occur, you can trust Central Lincoln crews are working together to get your power back on as quickly and safely as possible. To report a power outage or other emergency, call us at 877-265-3211. To view our outage map or learn how to prepare for an outage, visit clpud.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.